This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: Chevrolet MyLink, a smartphone adapter, aluminum wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear curtain airbags, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, full power accessories, and satellite radio. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
DuPala Chevrolet is located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.